So what's your R?
X plus 1 squared divided by 9.
Alright, as a rule of thumb, don't get rid of the absolute value until we can find what our radius is. Alright, that's going to be my rule of thumb for you here. So that's going to be what? The absolute value of x plus 1 squared is less than 9, right? So now take the square root of this, and that's going to be the absolute value of x plus 1 is less than 3. So then, okay. Now we can separate it. So negative 4 to 2. That's hopefully my answer. Where's this one centered at?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Let me ask you there, we have another one. Where's that one centered at?
0.
That one's centered at 0. Do you notice the difference?
Yes.
What's the difference? Why is this centered at 1 and this centered at 0? The parentheses, the square. Remember, it's when I'm solving for x minus c is less than r, I have to isolate the x, or whatever's added or subtracted. This minus 1 is added to x squared. So, this one is centered at what? Negative 1. This one is centered at 0. It doesn't ask you for it, but once you get if you're looking at the intervals, you can kind of see where it's like this one would be centered at negative 1, and when we solve this one, you see that it actually is centered at 0. Yes?
What would be the radius conversion for that?
3, 4, 2.
Because you have to square root.
Because the radius here, I would get the absolute value of x squared is less than 4, so the absolute value of x is less than 2.
And for that one, it would just be 3, right?
Right.